Baking Showdown. Stainless steel versus aluminum.
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a common kitchen question. Which material is better for baking, stainless steel or aluminum? This could be the key to unlocking your perfect bake, so let's get started.
What are the key differences?
First, let's understand the key differences between stainless steel and aluminum bakeware. Stainless steel is known for its durability and resistance to rust and staining. On the other hand, aluminum is lighter, less expensive, and superior in conducting heat.
How does heat conduction affect baking?
Heat conduction is a vital factor when it comes to baking. Aluminum is an excellent heat conductor, which means it heats up and cools down quickly. This allows your baked goods to heat evenly, reducing the risk of parts being over or undercooked. On the other hand, stainless steel tends to heat up slower and retains heat longer once the oven is turned off. This could potentially lead to overbaking if you're not careful to remove your treats promptly.
What about durability and maintenance?
When it comes to durability, stainless steel is the clear winner. It's resistant to rust, staining, and scratching, making it a long-lasting choice. However, it's also more expensive. Aluminum, while cheaper, can warp over time with high heat and heavy use. It can also react with acidic or alkaline foods, causing it to discolor and potentially affect the taste of your food. To avoid this, you might consider using anodized aluminum, which has been treated to prevent such reactions.
Which one should I choose?
The choice between stainless steel and aluminum bakeware ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize even heating and don't mind a bit of extra care, aluminum could be your best bet. If you're looking for durability and don't mind a higher price tag, stainless steel might be the way to go. And that's a wrap on our baking showdown. Whether you choose stainless steel or aluminum, remember that good results also depend on your baking skills and recipe. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make the best choice for your baking needs. Happy baking!